Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Big Bear City local and long distance movers near me. If you want to work with a professional and cheap Big Bear City moving company, you need the right option. 3 Movers provides the right long distance and local moving services for your specific requirements. We supply services for all kinds of people, including commercial and residential. When you desire a less difficult moving day, we're here to assist you. Our skilled movers understand how to ensure that your long distance move doesn't consist of all the worry. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 1,500 miles. The right moving services make all the difference, and our experts offer just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Along with the basic long distance moving solutions, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing material, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company might not seem like it's worth the expense. A closer look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you understand why it's a wise choice. You are going to definitely save time with your local relocation when you work with the moving company. It will also prevent you from having to take care of heavy lifting. Our team of qualified movers will definitely make sure your move is quite efficient. 3 Movers know how to simplify your move. Even though your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Big Bear City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.